Aging is inevitable, but losing your edge? That is entirely a choice. Society tells us that a man's attractiveness peaks in his 20s, but science and reality tell a completely different story. As an older man, you possess something a 22-year-old can only dream of: wisdom, stability, and lived experience. Yet so many men completely weaponize their own potential, falling into three distinct psychological traps that instantly drain their attractiveness and push people away. In this video, we aren't talking about your hairline or your wrinkles. Those don't matter. We are talking about the three critical behavioral mistakes that kill an older man's magnetic presence, and exactly how you can flip the script today to become the most compelling version of yourself. Let's start with mistake number 1: living in the rearview mirror. There is a fine line between sharing wisdom and trapped in nostalgia. The moment a man starts every sentence with "back in my day" or "this new generation doesn't know how to," a wall goes up. Why is this unattractive? Because it signals to the world that your best days are behind you. It shows a lack of adaptability. True attraction is drawn to growth and vitality, not a museum exhibit of 1995. Don't be a relic, be a bridge. Reframe your experience not as a bitter critique of the present, but as a grounded foundation for the future. Be curious about the world as it is today. A man who has decades of experience but is still eager to learn. That is a rare, intoxicating mix of stability and youthful energy. Mistake number 2 is complacency masked as comfort. Somewhere along the line, a lot of men get comfortable. They stop dressing with intention. They let their physical health slide, and they adopt the mindset of, "Well, I am who I am. Take it or leave it." Let's be brutally honest here. Take it or leave it is just fear disguised as confidence. It's the fear of trying and failing. When you stop putting effort into your presentation, your health, and your mind, you aren't just disrespecting others. You are signaling that you've given up on yourself. And nothing kills attraction faster than apathy. Master your domain. Taking care of your grooming, wearing clothes that actually fit, and moving your body daily isn't about trying to look 25. It's about showing pride in the temple you've built over a lifetime. Self-respect is the ultimate aphrodisiac. This third mistake is perhaps the most painful to watch: the validation chase. This happens when a man tries to overcompensate for his age by acting, dressing, or talking like someone half his age. It's trying too hard to be cool or desperately seeking the approval of younger crowds. When you chase youth, you instantly devalue your maturity. It screams insecurity. People don't want an older version of a kid. They want a mature man who is entirely, unapologetically, comfortable in his own skin. Embrace the power of presence. A man's true power as he ages doesn't come from being loud, flashy, or desperate to fit in. It comes from his gravity. It's the ability to walk into a room, speak softly, listen intently, and let your calm confidence do the talking. You don't need to chase anyone. Let your character do the attracting. Gentlemen, look at the big picture. Getting older isn't a decline. It's an upgrade, but only if you install the right software. You have the scars, the stories, and the strength that youth simply cannot buy. Do not waste it by living in the past, letting yourself go, or begging for validation. Step into your power, keep learning, keep sweating, and carry yourself with the dignity of a man who knows exactly who he is. Your prime isn't behind you. If you play your cards right, it is happening right now. If this spoke to you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with the one area you're focusing on upgrading this week. Stay sharp, See you in the next video.